my name is Lindsay, and congratulations on your purchase of the Shake Weight. Before we begin, I'd like to demonstrate to you how to properly use the Shake Weight. The Shake Weight is a manual device. It does not have any batteries or power. It moves when you shake it. Remember, the Shake Weight only moves when you move it. You may stop at any time. Move it slowly for an easier workout. Move it faster for more intensity. The easiest way to start is in the forward position. Make sure you have a tight grip with both hands and that you move it away from the face and start off slowly. Holding it away from the chest makes it a harder workout. Holding it closer in with the elbows tighter towards your body makes it a little bit easier of a workout, so you can adjust the intensity according to your own level. As you get more comfortable, you could take it to a one-handed grip. Make sure you hold it firmly, keep it away from the face, and start off slowly. Now you're ready to go from flab to fabulous, from jiggly to those tight, toned, sexy arms. Welcome to Shake Weight. Welcome to the Shake Weight upper body workout. I'm Lindsay, and I'll be guiding you through your 6-minute upper body workout designed to tone and strengthen your chest, biceps, triceps, and shoulders. Please remember to always consult a physician before undergoing any sort of exercise routine. And please refer to the brief instruction segment of your DVD on how to properly use your Shake Weight. Now let's start with our 6-minute upper body workout. Holding our Shake Weight securely, knees soft, and starting with the chest, let's shake. Keep those muscles contracted. Feel that burn. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, core tight, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's take an active recovery for chest flies. Open up the shoulders and give me a fly. Keep the elbows parallel to the shoulders as much as possible. And 4, and 3, contract the chest, and 2, and 1, and holding our Shake Weight again, let's shake. Keep those abs tight, keep going. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more active recovery, other arm with a Shake Weight, chest flies, squeezing right in the center, contract, contract. 5, squeeze right in the center, 3 more, last 2, and 1, and take that Shake Weight right behind the back, open up the chest, shoulders down, and give it a nice stretch, and release. And let's continue. Now let's tone the triceps. Take that Shake Weight overhead, elbows in tight towards the ears, and shake. Keep it firm and secure. Squeeze those elbows in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and active recovery, tricep extensions. 8 reps total. Squeeze those elbows in towards the ears again. Knees soft. 4 more. All the way up, all the way down for 3. Last 2. And last 1. Holding the Shake Weight in our right hand. Let's hip hinge forward and push the hips back and tricep kick back. Come all the way back, halfway down. 8 repetitions. Give me 4 more. Keep that elbow in tight towards your side. And give me 2. And last 1, hold it back. And let's give it a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Hold it here for 4, for 3. Keep it straight for 2, and for 1. And switching sides. Other hand and tricep kickback. Keep that elbow in very tight. And squeeze. Squeeze, hips back, squeeze, halfway down, all the way back. 2 more. Last 1, and holding back, and let's shake, shake, shake. Hold it here for 4. Squeeze that arm. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come up and quick tricep stretch. Take one arm overhead and pull the elbow back. And release, other side, holding the shake weight. Stretch that elbow over and release. Let's move on. It's time for our bicep shake. And let's hold that wrist up and shake. Shake. Keep that elbow up high, shake. Good. Keep that bicep contracted, knees soft. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, abs tight, 3, 2, and 1. Give me an active recovery, hammer curl, and all the way up, all the way down. Keep that elbow into your side and squeeze up. And squeeze. Squeeze. Good. Give me 4 more. Keep the abs tight. Watch that core. 3, 2, and hold this one up. Get ready for your last set. Just 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more active recovery set. Hold it here and hammer curls all the way up and all the way down for a full contraction. Last time. 6, 5, squeeze it tight. 4, wrist all the way up. 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch arms for our shake. Other side, elbow up and shake. Good, staying strong right here. 8, 7, 6, 5, hold those abs tight. 3, 2, and 1. Active recovery shake all the way up to curl and down. Keep that elbow in tight to your sides again. Good. Give me 4, for 3, for 2, and hold this one up. 1 more shake, just for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more active recovery set to curl. And bring those hammer curls all the way up, all the way down. Squeeze it tight. Good. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Now let's tone those shoulders. Taking our shake weight, lifting it up so our elbow is parallel towards the shoulders. Let's shake horizontally. Remember, minimal movement here. Hold tight. You should feel the bicep working as well. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's add an active recovery and press with a rotator cuff combination. Press and down. Just rotate 90 degrees. Keep that elbow parallel to the shoulders. Don't forget, you have 4 more right here. 4 and 3. Press up tall, abs tight, and 2 and 1. Holding it halfway down. We have 1 more set. Let's give it a good shake. Shake all the way. Burn it out for 4, 3, 2, and 1 more active recovery for a press and a rotator cuff combo. 8 reps only. You're almost home. Up and rotate. Good. Capital L in the arms. That's what you want to see. Give me 4 more. And 3. Feel that burn. And 2. And 1. Let's switch sides. And holding our shake weight up horizontally. Let's shake. 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 Keep the body steady. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5. Elbow up. 4, 3, 2, and active recovery. Press and rotator cuff. Press. Rotator cuff. Watch that elbow. Keep it up. Shoulder height. Good. You're on your way. 4 more. and 3, and 2. And remember, we have one more set. Hold it here and shake horizontally. Hold it right here. You're almost through. Burn it out a little bit more for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more combo. Let's press and rotator cuff. Press, rotator cuff. Good, let's keep our elbow up a little bit higher. 4 more repetitions to go. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Good, and roll out those shoulders. Relax. Great job. If you have some energy left and you want to really supercharge your workout, just take that shake weight and give it a good shake. And just shake it out till you feel your arms getting tighter, stronger, and more toned. Requires a lot of energy and a lot of effort, but the results pay off. Just shake as long as you can to get that burn. And that'll conclude your 6-minute workout.